Hello students, welcome to the second part of trigonometry. The link of the first part is in description box. In the second part, we will see how to find the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec for their 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degrees. Yes, we'll find the values of them. For that, we'll make a table. So let's start. वैल्यूज निकालने से पहले हम ऐसा एक टेबल बना लेंगे और इस टेबल में हम लिखेंगे साइन, कॉस, टैन, कॉट, सेक एंड कॉसेक। मतलब सारे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोस। यस, और फिर हमें क्या करना है? 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, ये सारे हैं स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स। हम इस सारे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोस के 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री के वैल्यूज हम यहां पे लिखेंगे। एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ विल यू फाइंड देयर वैल्यूज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या करना है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे लिख लेने हैं। फिर सबको 4 से डिवाइड करने हैं। सो मैंने सबको 4 से डिवाइड कर दिया। अब मैं सबको रूट ओवर करूंगा, रूट ओवर ऑफ ऑल दिस। अब अगर मैं 0 को 4 से डिवाइड करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 0। तो यहां से आ रहा है 0 और द रूट ओवर ऑफ 0 इज 0। अंडरस्टूड? क्या मैं 1 को 4 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूं? कर पाऊंगा? नहीं, मुझे डेसिमल में नहीं लाना है, फ्रैक्शन में रखना है। हाँ, 1 इज डिवाइजेबल बाय 4 बट विल गेट इन डेसिमल 0.25, बट हमें डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है, हमें फ्रैक्शन में ही रखना है। तो क्या मैं 1 को 4 से डिवाइड कर सकता हूं? नहीं। तो उस कंडीशन में जब डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो मैं जस्ट रूट ओवर कर लूंगा। तो 1 का रूट 1 बाय 4 का रूट 2। फाइन। यहां पे एटलीस्ट मैं इसको काट तो सकता हूं। हां। अब क्या मैं 2 से 1 को डिवाइड कर सकता हूं? हां, 0.5 आता है, बट जैसा मैंने आपको कहा डेसिमल में हमें कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है, हमें इसको फ्रैक्शन में ही रखना है। तो 1 का रूट 1, 2 का रूट √2, 3/4। क्या मैं 3 को 4 से डिवाइड कर सकता हूं? नहीं। तो 3 का रूट √3 बाय 4 का रूट 2। अब 4 से तो 4 को मैं डिवाइड कर सकता हूं 1, तो 1 का रूट 1। तो आप देख सकते हो हमने सारे साइन के सारे स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स हमने निकाल लिया है। तो साइन 0 डिग्री मीन्स 0, साइन 30 डिग्री मीन्स हाफ, साइन 45 डिग्री 1/√2, साइन 60 डिग्रीज √3/2, साइन 90 डिग्रीज 1। So now we have calculated all the values of sine. Now we'll calculate the values of cos. cos का वैल्यूज निकालना बहुत इजी है। हम जस्ट क्या करेंगे? साइन को ऐसे रिवर्स कर देंगे। अंडरस्टूड? इसको ले आके ऐसे घुमा देंगे। मतलब 1 को लिखेंगे इधर, 0 को लिखेंगे इधर, √3/2 को लिखेंगे √3/2, हाफ को लिखेंगे इधर हाफ, बचा ये 1/√2। तो कितना इजीली हमने कॉस को भी निकाल लिया हुआ है। अब tan का वैल्यू निकालेंगे। tan का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? ऊपर वाले को नीचे वाले से डिवाइड करना है। हाँ, हम 0 को डिवाइड करेंगे 1 से। अगर मैं 0 को 1 से डिवाइड करूं तो 0 को मैं डिवाइड करूंगा 1 से, 1 0 0, यस, आंसर आ रहा है 0, तो दिस इज 0। फाइन। अब मैं 1/2 को डिवाइड करता हूं √3/2 से, तो क्या मिलता है? 1/2 डिवाइड मीन्स इनटू √3/2 विल बी 2/√3, वी नो दैट 2 कैंसल्ड, 1/√3। नाउ 1/√2 को अगर 1/√2 से डिवाइड किया जाए तो सेम वे में आप ट्राई कर सकते हो, तो आपको मिलेंगे 1। √3/2 को अगर आप 1/2 से डिवाइड करते हो ठीक इसी रूल से, तो आपको मिलेंगे √3। 1 को आप डिवाइड करो 0 से, हम 1 को डिवाइड करेंगे, 1 को डिवाइड करेंगे 0 से, बट कोई भी नंबर को आप 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हो। एक्चुअली कोई भी नंबर को अगर हम 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो लिखा जाता है अनडिफाइंड, यानी ये सिंबल हम डालेंगे। इस सिंबल का मतलब क्या है? अनडिफाइंड मीन्स वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड एनी नंबर बाय 0। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ विल टेक आउट कॉट। अगेन 10 को रिवर्स कर देंगे, इन्फिनिटी इन्फिनिटी, 0 0, √3 √3, 1/√2 1/√2, बचा 1 1। गॉट इट? फाइन। अब हम क्या करेंगे, जैसा कि मैंने आपको शुरू में सिखाया था, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू दैट sec is opposite of cos. Yes, sec is opposite of cos. So हर एक को पकड़ के जस्ट उल्टा कर देना है। जैसे √3/2 होगा 2/√3, 1/√2 होगा √2/1, बट डिनोमिनेटर 1 तो हम लिखते नहीं है, सो ओनली √2। 1/2 होगा 2/1, अगेन डिनोमिनेटर 1 तो हम लिखते नहीं है, तो ओनली 2। 1 का उल्टा 1, क्योंकि अगर हम 1 को रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो हमें 1 ही मिलने वाला है, बट 0 का रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता है। 0 का रेसिप्रोकल वही अनडिफाइंड। आई हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस, दिस इज अनडिफाइंड। नाउ कॉसेक, फिर से हम सेक को उल्टा कर देंगे, तो हमें मिलेगा अनडिफाइंड अनडिफाइंड, 1 1, 2 2, 2/√3 2/√3, √2 √2. Understood? So this is the way to find the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. I mean all the trigonometric ratios for their standard angles. So now you know how to make the table. You must practice this table and keep this table for time being to solve the sums related to this portion. Now we will discuss some sums from your textbook and we'll see how to utilize this table in those sums. Question number 1 आपके सामने ही है. Just we have to put the values and we need to calculate them. So let's start. 5 into cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1/2. From that table which I just taught you. Plus 4 sec 30. What is the value of sec 30? 2/√3. 2/√3. But square, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्क्वायर्स है. Minus tan 45. 1045 मीन्स 1 बट स्क्वायर, क्योंकि स्क्वायर है यहां पे. नाउ साइन स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री. साइन 30 मीन्स 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 square. So now just calculate it. So 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square means 4 by root 3 square means 3 minus 1 square means 1 by 1 square means 1 by 2 square 4 plus root 3 square means 3. 2 square means 4. Understood? Now let us LCM. Or before LCM we need to multiply them. 5 into 1, 5 by 4. 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Simple calculation. Then this lower part leave as it is. Now let us calculate this upper one, this portion. What is the LCM? 12. So by 4 divide 12, 3. 3 5s are 15. Plus by 3 divide 12, 4. 4 into 16, 64. Minus 12 into 1, 12. Now this part, what is the LCM? 4. By 4 divide 4, 1. 1 1 ja 1. Plus by 4 divide 4, 1. 1 into 3, 3. So what we are getting? I am writing here 15 plus 64, that is 79. 79 minus 12, that is 67. So 67 by 12 by 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 4. Okay. Now 67 by 12 by 4 by 4 means 1. 1. That means the answer is 67 by 12. I hope you understood. So let us move to our second sum. Second sum is there in front of you, where the value of A is given, B is given. Just we have to verify this relation. First we'll take out this part, that is left hand side. LHS 10 A minus B. 10, what is A? 60 degree. Minus, what is B? 30 degree. 10, 60 minus 30, that is 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree from the table? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we got left hand side 1 by root 3. Now we shall calculate the right hand side. What is right hand side? Let us write that. 10A minus 10B by 1 plus 10A 10B. Let's put the value. 10A, 10 A means 60 degree minus 10B, B means 30 degree. 1 plus 10, 60, 10, 30. 10 60 means root over 3 minus 10 30 means 1 by root over 3. You can check these values from your table which I taught you. 1 plus 10 60 means root over 3. This is into 10 30 means 1 by root 3. Now, so I will do it here. Now we'll do the LCM of the upper one. What is the LCM? Yeah, root over 3. So root over 3 is the LCM. So root over 3 into root over 3, 3 minus by root over 3, divide root over 3, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then add down. Root 3 cancelled. So 1 plus 1, 2. So what we are getting? 2 by root 3 by 2. This 2 I can write 1 for sake of calculation. So 2 by root 3 into this portion will get reciprocal. So it will be 1 by 2. 2 cancelled. We are getting 1 by root 3. This 1 by root 3 is the answer of this question. So this is the third question. Let's start. Here it is given that sine A equal to 1 by 2. So we'll write it first, sine A equal to 1 by 2. Now sine A equal to 1 by 2 means from our table 1 by 2 means sine 30 degree. Yes. Now if you cancel this sine, but don't cancel it. Just imagine that you are cancelling. So if you cancel sine, then you are getting A equal to 30 degree. Yes, the value of A is 30 degree now. Now we will see what is the value of this left hand side. Let us write this left hand side. Left hand side is sine 2A. That means sine 2A means 30 degree. That is sine 2 into 30, 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. So left hand side we got root 3 by 2. Now let us see what we are getting from this right hand side. Right hand side. What is right hand side? 2 tan A. A means 30 degree. By 1 plus tan square A. Tan square A. A means 30 degree. So 2 tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 from the table. 1 plus tan square 30 degree. That is 1 by root 3 square. Correct? Now, so what we are getting? 2 into 1, 2 by root 3. Now here what are you getting? 1 plus 1 square means 1. Root 3 square means 3. Correct? Let us continue this calculation. So, equal to 2 by root over 3. Then, what is the LCM of this? 3. 3 into 1, 3. Plus, by 3, divide 3. 1. 1 1 ja 1. So, what we are getting? 2 by root 3. By 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 equal to 2 by root 3 into this 4 by 3 will be 3 by 4. Yes, 3 by 4. Fine. Now 2 by root 3 into, instead of this 3, I can write root 3 into root 3 by 4. So that, why I have splitted it, so that I can cancel root 3. Then by 2, cancel 4, 2. So what is the answer? Root 3 by 2. So I am getting root 3 by 2, which is the answer of this sum. Question number 4. It's a very important sum for our exam or board exam, whatever you say. Let's start it. First of all, it is given that sine A plus 2B equal to root 3 by 2. Let us start with this. Sine A plus 2B equal to root 3 by 2. And it is given that cos A plus 4B equal to 0. Cos A plus 4B equal to 0. Now, sine A plus 2B equal to root 3 by 2. Instead of root 3 by 2, I will see my table and I'll see that which degree of sine is root 3 by 2. You will see that sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So we are writing sine 60. If you see the table, the cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. But we are not writing cos 30. We will write sine 60 so that I can cancel sine. Yes, now cancel sine, but as I told you, don't cut it. Just imagine that they are cancelled. So what we are getting? A plus 2b equal to 60 degree. Same way, cos a plus 4b equal to 0 means cos 90 degree. Okay? See, sine 0 degree is also 0. Sine 0 degree is also 0, but I am not writing here sine. I am writing here cos so that I can cut. Now, if you cut them, a plus 4b equal to 90 degree. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Fine. Now write both the equations one by one. Say 1 plus 2b equal to 60 degree, a plus 4b equal to 90 degree. Fine. Now this is plus sign, so it will be minus. Plus sign, minus. Plus sign, minus. Plus a minus a cancelled. 2b minus 4b, that is minus 2b. 60 minus 90, that is minus 30. Understood? So b equal to minus 30 by minus 2. Minus cancelled, by 2 divide 30, 15 degree. So we got the value of b. Now we'll put this value of b in any of this equation. Let us use this first equation from 1. A plus 2b, see, a plus 2b equal to 60. Instead of b, you put 15 degree equal to 60 degree. A plus 2 15 is 30 equal to 60 degrees. So a equal to 60 minus 30 will go that side. It's 30 degree. So we are getting 30. So what we got? So a equal to 30 degree and b equal to 60 degree. This is the answer of this sum. Fine. Let us move to our next sum. Question number 5, you can see a formula is given, sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. It's a formula. By using this formula, I have to find the value of sin 15. Now, first of all, we'll write this formula. Sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. After that, we'll leave this line. One line just we'll leave. Then in the second line, we'll write what you have to find? Sin 15 degree. So write sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree equal to. Now, sin is already there. Sin is there. Instead of a minus b, I have to get 15 degree. Now, sin. Now I have to think. I have to write two angles here, such that if you subtract them, you should get 15 degree. You understood my point? Say I am writing here 100 and here 85. So 100 minus 85 is 15 degree. But the problem is that I cannot write here 100 and 85. Because 100 and 85, these two degrees are not there in the trigonometric table. What degrees are there in the trigonometric table? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So I have to think on this, that which two angle I'll write from this list, so that after subtracting I should get 15. So what angle should be? 45 minus 30 is giving 15 degree, or 60 minus 45 is also giving you 15 degree. So you can write 45 minus 30, or you can write 60 minus 45, whatever you want. Let us write 45 minus 30. 45 degree minus 30 degree. Understood? Now, so A means 45 degree, B means 30 degree. So instead of A, I will write 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. I hope you understood, because A I am considering 45 and B I am considering 30. Because 45 minus 30 I am getting 15. Now sin 45. What is the value of sin 45? Yes, 1 by root 2. If you see the table, you will get the value 1 by root 2 into cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2 minus cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2 into what is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Now just calculate them. 1 into root 3, root over 3 by root 2 into 2, 2 root 2 minus 1 1 ja 1, root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. So just LCM it. 2 root 2 is the LCM, then root 3 minus 1. So the value of sin 15 degree is this. Understood? I hope you understood all the sums mentioned in this video. So see you all in third part of this video. Thank you.